What is up, you guys? Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thank you for tuning into another video. I am here tonight and we are at the wife's cousin's where I got my truck. As you can see, my truck, the camper. He's got his camper set up. He's also got his house there. So don't think, but we're basically out to have a good night, have a few drinks, enjoy the night with everybody and have fun. So with that said, as you can see over there, the pool, we will be getting in that probably tomorrow. I don't think I'll be getting in it tonight because, well, I've already had a couple.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, we'll see about that. So there you go, see? Well, anyways, we're going to have some fun tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to get, you know, some pool time and stuff. I don't know. Maybe tonight. You never know. We'll see, right? But just wanted to show you what's going on so that you understand, like, you know, even though I'm taking a break, I'm still trying to work around everything, right? So everything lights up when I open the door. There, how the lights light up. That's good. I can go around, check to see which ones are burnt out. They'll go out before I get around the trailer. Oh, there you go. See, they went out. That one working. I gotta check that again. That one there, it doesn't work when I turn the light on. So is it working now when you do that? No, okay. No, it's not working. No. Okay. I got this light here that's burnt out. It needs to be replaced. Hopefully you didn't see what I had in my hand, but I'll go around the back. All the lights are looking good. Don't want to matter. Oh, we got a burnt out light right here, as you can see again. And we got a burnt out light right here. So we got a couple burnt out lights. I'll have to get those replaced. Not that I'm driving at night. You only need those for the night. The only ones you need for the day are your back signal lights. But anyways, with that said, folks, gonna have a little fun here. We'll see what the night brings. Okay, folks, we're gonna check out here to see what this light that he bought. How much you pay for it, Canadian Tire? 25 bucks?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, 25 at Canadian Tire. It's basically supposed to glow the water. Oh, better watch it don't get wet. Glow. It's supposed to glow the water. Oh, it changes colors too?
Oh, it has a whole thing.
Oh, okay, so it's basically like Janet's hot tub. Yeah. Same idea. That's what I say. What you need is like probably like 4 or 5 of them.
Probably.
And just kind of put them around the pool, right?
Well, we'll wait till
is that on or?
Dark. No.
Oh, you
yet.
shut
we'll
it
wait
off.
Till it gets dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyways, we got that set up. As you can see again, camper's over there. His truck, his van. He's got some other stuff. We were talking, if you can see down here, I don't know, but he's got some chairs down there that are they're losing their paint. And I said to him, I said, I got that stain, you know, like maybe you can do 4 or 5 of them in this. Well, you could probably do all of them in the stain, because that stain is basically is very little you put on and you do it, and then you can put that sealant on it, or sealant, the finish on it, right, the shine or whatever it is, and it would make them look 10 times better for another, at least another 2 years out of them, right? Maybe, I don't know. I know it is for indoor, but I mean, indoor, outdoor, either or, it'll work. All right, guys, it is the next morning. As you can see, my truck is over here now. And yes, Tim Hortons coffee. I start my day off. We're getting up here now. It's about noon. It's to go to get the coffee and stuff. We had to go get some ice and stuff and some more beer for tonight. But in order to go get it, it's about a half-hour drive. So anyways, we did that there. The kids are already back in the pool. They had McDonald's. We got the McDonald's for lunch. The grass looks pretty good. I said to him, I said, what are you trying to do? Start a golf course here? The grass is short enough. It looks like a golf course. But anyways, the kids are in the pool there. They are gonna do some swimming. So I figure maybe what I'll do is I'll set it up so the GoPro can go in the water and let them do some recording in the water, maybe. I don't know, maybe I'll go in the water too. Huh? Seems like a good day for that, so. Anyways, let me drink my coffee and we'll go from there, whether I go in the pool or crack a beer. Alright folks, so I'm gonna take this here for a drive. No. We're going for a drive in Jamie's truck here. We're gonna head into town for a minute. He's gonna do something now. I've already did what I had to do, so go with him for a drive now and see how his truck drives. I know how mine drives. Fast. So anyways, let's go and see what I don't know, folks, can anybody else see that? When I look at that, it looks like I got one tire that's sticking out on the bottom and the other's in. You see it?
Is it because of your back axle when you came and turned up? The back axle still under stress? That's what I found.
I don't know.
That's what I found when I back my trailer up. I don't have enough runway on a straight.
Yeah.
You know, like.
Yeah. Well, I know what I gotta do is I gotta get them. I gotta get them greased, eh? I gotta get the hubs greased.
See, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
But hard to say. It could be because you came up and.
No, because that one there is swished in too, so it probably is.
I think it's
Yeah.
It's like
It's because of the stress.
the twist.
Yeah.
You pulled up and it's still under strain.
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah. Oh, exactly. Is it like your dad's truck? I gotta clean out the passenger seat first.
No, but I did throw some garbage.
Oh no, your truck is not as. What's that? Just for the pulling over? I'm allowed to have that much.
What's that?
Just got the camera away. Yeah. Can we just move for a cup here?
Yeah, no, for sure.
Oh, you know what? Let me grab my wallet because
Yeah,
I'll probably end up grabbing a drink or something if,
Oh yeah.
depending on how long we are, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. There you go, folks. If you haven't seen in the camper, I'm just gonna grab my wallet, roots. All right.
I don't got this big of a mess going, but
Yours is built into the seat, eh? That's a good feature. See, I like how the older trucks are. They you can see over the hood, eh?
yep.
You know, like that's what I like about Ford. You can see over the hood,
Yeah.
right? And when you get into Dodge, it's like you gotta look over the hood.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, they got so much on the front there.
Mm-hmm. This is so much better. Yeah. It's nice not having to drive.
Yeah, well, I appreciate the company. I hope I'm not taking you away from.
Oh no, man, this is perfect.
You know, but we'll be quick though, right? Because obviously I want to get back to my family.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. No, I'm really excited you guys came and it just worked out. We finally made a plan and actually put it into place. And
All right, guys. So we just committed Canadian Tire, as you can see behind me, and we got a floaty thing here with a cooler. We are gonna have some beer in the water. So just wait here. He gets the door open. Canadian Tire was fun. Quite the amount of people. Tell me, you can't smell that now. There we go. All right. So there you go. We got a floaty with a little puddle cup thing for putting drinks in. Keep them cold. Holy fuck.
Yeah, no shit, eh? Fucking relax, lady.
Holy fuck, man. I thought she was gonna hit you.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like she already hit someone the way she swung in like that. You see their bumper?
Mm-hmm.
I think you could have made it. She looks like a real cunt.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, well, she would have fucking hated that because I would have fucking made her fucking fix the whole fucking thing.
Yeah. The whole new paint job.
Oh yeah. She wouldn't like that. That'd be expensive fucking fender and...
I don't know how people can wear jeans today.
Let's walk down the fucking middle.
Some people's children, eh?
Holy fuck. We need natural selection. That's what the COVID was supposed to be, except it hit the older people, not the fucking younger people.
Yeah.
It hit the wrong fucking generation. The older generation don't need fixing. They got fucking morals.
That's where we went to the liquor store too, was Ace.
Oh.
Yeah, I seen that.
Wow, come on. Fuck you. Like, totally.
Yeah.
Bitch must have been flooring it.
Mm-hmm.
Piece of shit focus.
And are you going in there? No.
No, I'll go to Superstore.
Oh, okay.
Liquor store.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, they'll probably have the best price.
I thought those would.
I can get a 40 of Alberta Pure for $26.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
If it's on sale.
Much better then.
Yeah.
All right, folks. So we got the tube blowing up, and we got the cooler set up with some drinks in it and some ice. So we are ready to go in the pool and have some fun. The kids are already in there having fun. He's blowing up the duck. And I'm gonna get ready and go in too. Look at this, he's giving his daddy a hug. Alright guys, we got a competition we're about to do. What you gotta do is just take the rings and you gotta throw them on the duck. Person with the most rings over the duck wins the competition. So who's gonna go first? You, shiver butts, you gotta be over that way. Okay, wrong way. You lost. 0 for Kyler. Okay, your turn over there.
Whoa, easy.
See, if you stop shaking the water, it'd be 10 times easier. Yeah. Oh, 0 for Quinn. Jamie, your turn. Save the best for last, folks. Save the best for last. Oh, so close. Oh. Okay, it's my turn. My turn. So you gonna hold that? Okay, you gotta shine it on the duck. Oh, you just don't worry about. Just make sure that the duck sees. I still missed too. None for me, folks. It's harder than it looks. Alright guys, so we're out of the pool for a little bit and we had some supper. Basically we had sausages, hot dogs, Easy supper, right? Yesterday we got 5 pizzas on the way out here, so today we're like, we'll just have sausages and hot dogs. Like a young fella, he put that on the ground. His shirt, threw it on the ground. See, they left the camper door open too. More flies to be in. Hey, come over here, cause look at that. Need another beer. No, look, it's even left open. I don't like walking, so what we're gonna do, I should have just took the whole thing, but let's take the whole thing, folks. What am I thinking? I don't want to walk back here. It's easier when you don't gotta walk. Oh. But we're having a good time. You know, it's great to be able to set up the camper. You know, you look and you see, set up the camper basically. I'm actually going to be leaving my camper out here, which is a bonus thanks to Jamie allowing it. Where his truck is parked, I'm going to back it right in there. Like I said to him, I said I appreciate it, man. It makes it so much easier for me. Instead of hauling it all the way back across the city, where, you know, I do most of my camping 5 minutes up the road here. So basically it works out. So anyways, with that said, I got the dog following me. Follow me, hey. I give him a little food, he can just follow me around now. Looking for another sausage. But anyways, I'm gonna drink some more beer. We'll see you in a little bit. Alright folks, so the sun is starting to go down. It's kind of in the back there. And kids are all over there looking at a dog to come in the yard. We're kind of here. We're going to set up, I guess, Jenga. We're going to have the bonfire going down here tonight. And the pool was fun. Still got a couple beer in the little cooler. But the night is starting to get to the point where it's time to say goodnight. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you liked it, hit that like button. We'll see you on the next one.